remind all of you na ugaliin na uminom muna ng I Am Amazing Pure Organic Barley 30 minutes before breakfast. So, all you have to do is mix it with warm water. Pwede cold, it's up to you, pero wag naman siya super hot because this has so many vitamins and minerals. It's got amino acids, it's got actually complete yung vitamins nito maliban na lang kay vitamin D. It only comes out na parang 100 pesos per sachet. So, malaking bagay siya sa ating kalusugan. Like ako, I feel my immune system is so much better. My constipation has gone away. Naging regular yung bowel movement ko. This is good for I want to remind you guys also that this is not medicine. Ito ay isang health supplement na nakakatulong sa mga may karamdaman, yung mga may cancer, may goiter, may hypertension, may diabetes, arthritis, asthma. Yan, ang dami pang iba. So this is part of our everyday routine. 30 minutes before your breakfast. Buy only from legit distributors. Okay? Cheers!
Don't panic, it's organic. Ito ang barley ng IM.